Okay students, now we will continue with the question number 10. We have completed up to question number 9. So in question number 1 to 9, different conditions are given. Equation of ellipse is given and we have to find the features of that ellipse. Now from this question number 10, different conditions are given and according to that conditions, we have to derive the equation of ellipse. So question number 10, according to question number 10, find the equation of ellipse that satisfies the given conditions. Conditions are given and based on that conditions we have to derive the equation of ellipse. Basically there are two types of ellipse are there. So here conditions are vertices vertices of ellipse are plus or minus 50 and foci is given plus or minus 40. These are the given conditions for the ellipse. By using these conditions, we have to find the equation of ellipse. So first we have to analyze this condition. So here, vertices are the endpoint of major axis. So here, vertices are lies on x-axis. Here y coordinate is 0. So here we can say that vertices lies on x-axis, as well as foci. Coordinates of foci are plus or minus 40. Foci also lies on x-axis. So here we can say these are the conditions for the horizontal ellipse. First we have to identify whether the given conditions are for vertical ellipse or for the horizontal ellipse. So by using that condition, by analyzing these conditions, we can say these are the conditions for the horizontal ellipse. Done. So vertices, compare these vertices. Coordinates of vertices are nothing but the plus or minus a0 in case of horizontal ellipse, and coordinates of foci are plus or minus c0. So on comparison, we can say that value of a is 5 and value of c is 4. Done. These are the two values of a and c. Done. Now these are the conditions for the horizontal ellipse. So we are having horizontal ellipse. Our ellipse is horizontal ellipse. So we'll mention it. It's a horizontal ellipse. Done. Now for the horizontal ellipse, we require value of a as well as b. For horizontal ellipse, what is the equation? Equation of standard ellipse. For horizontal ellipse, that means major axis lies along with the x-axis. Foci lies on x-axis. Equation is x square upon a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Done? Coefficient of x square will be a and coefficient of y square will be, denominator of y square will be b square. Done? This is the condition for horizontal ellipse. So here we require the value of b. So for that we are having one equation. What is the equation? It's a square equal to b square plus c square. By using this formula, we can find the value of this b square. Put the value of a square. A is 5. So it's a 5 square. B square that we have to find. C square. It's a 4 square. Done? And therefore, our b square will be 5 square 25 and 4 square 16. It's a 25 minus 16. That is equal to 9. Done. So value of b is 3. It's a length of semi minor axis. It's a length, so it's only positive. B square equal to 9. Normally we come plus or minus 3 kar दें, but b is the length of semi minor axis. Length is positive. Done. So you have to consider positive sign. So now b is 3, a is 5, and therefore we can write the equation of required ellipse. Therefore equation of ellipse. Done. Here put the values x square by a square, x square by a square 5 square plus y square by b square is 3 square equal to 1, and therefore our answer is x square upon 25 plus y square by 9 equal to 1 is the equation of required ellipse. Done. This is the equation of required ellipse. Clear, friends? So this is your question number 9. Sorry, question number 10. Now question number 11. Next question is question number 11. Different conditions are given. According to conditions, we have to derive the equation of ellipse. Done? सुन रहे हो सब? Now here vertices, again vertices are, we have to find the equation of ellipse whose vertices are 0, plus or minus 13, and foci coordinates of foci are 0, plus or minus 5. Again same conditions are given. Done. For question number 10 we are given conditions vertices and foci. Here again we are given conditions in terms of vertices and foci. Find the equation of ellipse whose vertices are 0, plus or minus 13, and foci 0, plus or minus 5. So what's our analysis says? Here foci lies along with the along with the y-axis, है ना? Coordinates of foci are 0, plus or minus 5, है ना? 0, plus or minus 5 जो coordinate होते हैं वो कौन से point के होते हैं? It's a coordinates of point which lies on y-axis. So here this condition says that both our vertices and foci lies on y-axis. So when foci lies on the y-axis, it is the case of vertical ellipse. Done. This is the case of vertical ellipse. पहले तो आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि कौन सा ellipse है. So this is the case of vertical ellipse. So here we have to derive the equation of ellipse, which is along with the y-axis. Done. So equation of ellipse. What is the equation of vertical ellipse? Equation of ellipse. Equation of vertical ellipse is x square by b square plus y square by a square equal to 1. This is the equation of vertical ellipse. Here coefficient of y square will be a square. Done. So on comparison we are getting coordinates of vertices. Vertices are, for vertical ellipse, vertices can be written as 0, plus or minus a. So here value of a, we are getting the value of a which is equal to 13, and foci, coordinates of foci will be 0, plus or minus c. So c will be 5. Done. So here we are in the values of a and c. So now we will try to find the value of b by using this formula. Done. Formula is a square equal to b square plus c square. So a square is a 13 square, b square that we have to find, plus c square that is equal to 5 square. Therefore b square equal to 169 minus 25, that is equal to 144, and therefore b is equal to 12. Done. Got the values of this a and b. Done. So now we can write the equation of required ellipse. So equation of ellipse is, therefore equation of required ellipse according to our conditions, x square by b square, b square is b is 12, it's x square by 12 square, plus y square by a square, a is 13, so it's a 13 square equal to 1, and therefore we can write our answer. It's a x square by 144 plus y square upon 169 equal to 1 is the equation of required ellipse. Clear, friends? So this is your question number 10 and 11. So now question number 12. So here conditions are vertices of ellipse are given. Vertices are plus or minus 6, 0, same as question number 10, and coordinates of foci are plus or minus 4 0. Done. So here on comparison, we can say vertices lies on x-axis. It's a plus or minus a0, and coordinates of foci plus or minus c0. We can say a will be 6, value of a is 6, and value of c is 4. Done. Which type of ellipse is there? Focus, both focus and both vertex lies on x-axis, so it's a case of horizontal ellipse. It's a case of horizontal ellipse. Done. So for horizontal ellipse, we can write the equation of ellipse is in the form of x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So here we require the value of b. So to find the value of b, we will use the same equation, that is a square equal to b square plus c square. Put the values. A square, which is 6 square, equal to b square plus c square, it is 4 square, and therefore b square is 6 square 36 minus 4 square 16. So b square equal to 20, and therefore b is value of 20, square root of 20, 4 5 are 20, so it's a 2 root 5, है ना. वैसे b की कोई वैल्यू में रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है, we require only b square. So here our answer is equation of required ellipse is x square by a square, x square by a square 36 plus y square by b square, y square by b square, which is 20, and that is equal to 1 is the answer. Done. So this is your question number 12. Next question, है ना, सारे क्वेश्चन एक ही मेथड से होने वाले हैं. So next one is question number 13. So here conditions are somewhat change in conditions. Here condition is find the equation of ellipse which satisfies the given condition. So here we are given endpoints of major axis. What we are given? We are given endpoints of major axis, है ना. सिर्फ उसका नेम चेंज किया है. एंड पॉइंट्स ऑफ मेजर एक्सिस आर नथिंग बट द प्लस और माइनस 3 0, एंड एंड्स ऑफ माइनर एक्सिस, है ना, एंड पॉइंट्स ऑफ माइनर एक्सिस, एंड पॉइंट्स ऑफ माइनर एक्सिस आर 0 plus or minus 2. So all of you know end points of major axis are nothing but the vertex, the coordinates of vertex. So they are equal to plus or minus a0, and end points of minor axis are nothing but the plus or minus b0. So here on comparison, very simple, on comparison, what we are getting? We are getting a equal to 3 and b equal to 2. Done. So here endpoints of major axis are given. So here endpoints of major axis are nothing but the coordinates of vertex, and that vertex lies on x-axis. Done. So when vertex lies on x-axis, this is the case of horizontal ellipse. This is the case of horizontal ellipse. Because the vertex, both of the vertex of ellipse lies on x-axis, so it's a horizontal ellipse, and therefore equation of required ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So x square by a square is 3, 3 square is 9, plus y square by b square by 4 equal to 1 is the answer. Done. So this is how you can solve your question number 13. Done. So now question number 14. Question number 14. So here endpoints of major axis, same conditions are given. Endpoints of major axis. So endpoints of major axis are nothing but the coordinates of vertices, and endpoints of major axis are given 0 plus or minus root 5, and end points of minor axis endpoints of minor axis. So endpoints of minor axis are plus or minus 1, 0. So first we have to check the endpoints of major axis, because endpoints of major axis gives us the coordinates of vertex. Done? So here vertex, or you can say vertices, are in the form of 0 plus or minus 5. 0 plus or minus of root 5. Done? Coordinates of vertices. है endpoints of major axis of ellipse will give us coordinates of vertices. So here vertices of ellipse lies on which axis? Check, x coordinate is 0. So whenever the x coordinate is 0, that point lies on y axis. So here our vertices lies on y axis. Hence vertices lies on y axis. Foci will be also on y axis. So ellipse will be vertical ellipse. Done? So this is the case of vertical ellipse. So for vertical ellipse, coordinates of vertices will be in the form of 0 plus or minus a, and our foci, not foci, endpoints of minor axis. So minor axis are in the form of plus or minus 1, 0. They are nothing but the plus or minus b0. Done? So on comparison, we are getting the values of a and b. A will be root 5 and b will be 1. Done? This is the case of vertical ellipse. This is the case of vertical ellipse. So what is the equation of vertical ellipse? Hence we can write equation of required ellipse. Equation of required ellipse. Vertical ellipse is there. It's a x square by b square plus y square by a square equal to 1. So our answer is x square by b square 1 plus y square by a square root 5 square 5 equal to 1 is the answer. Done? X square by 1 plus y square by 5 equal to 1 is the answer. So this is your question number 14. Now question number 15. Next question, students, question number 15. So here you have to find the equation of ellipse. Conditions are length of major axis. Length of major axis is given. Length of major axis. Bolo, what is the length of major axis? Yes, very good. Twice of a. है ना, मैंने assume कर लिया कि आप लोग आंसर दे रहे हो. So length of major axis is nothing but the twice of a. Done? And we are given length of major axis is 26. So twice of a equal to 26. Hence we get a equal to 30. है ना? Length of major axis होता है 2a and length of minor axis that is twice of b. So this is given. लेकिन यहाँ से हमें पता नहीं चल रहा है कि हमारा given ellipse vertical है कि horizontal. So let's check second condition. So here coordinates of foci are given, है ना, and that is equal to plus or minus 5, 0. तो अभी हमें आइडिया आ गया कि ये foci, all the both focus lies on x axis. So this is the case of horizontal ellipse. This is the case of horizontal ellipse. कहाँ से आइडिया आया? From the coordinates of foci. Both focus lies on x axis because y coordinate is 0. Done? And hence our ellipse is horizontal ellipse, and for that we require the value of a and b. But here on comparison we are getting the value of c, plus or minus c is 0. So here value of c is 5. So a is there, c is there. So now we require value of b. So our formula a square equal to b square plus c square. A square 169 equal to b square plus c square 25. Therefore b square equal to 169 minus 25, that is equal to 144. Therefore b equal to 12. Simple calculations done. We are having value of a as well as b. So now we can write the equation of required ellipse. Equation of ellipse. Done. Which type of ellipse is there? Horizontal ellipse. For horizontal ellipse, our equation is x square upon a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So our answer is x square by a square 13 square 169 plus y square by b square. B square is 12. B square 12 square 144 equal to 1. Simple. So this is the solution of question number 14 as well as 15. Done. So now question number 16 again. Length of minor axis is given, है ना, हमने मेजर एक्सिस लिया था. So length of minor axis is given. So length of minor axis is 16. So what is the length of minor axis? Length of minor axis is twice of b, and twice of b equal to 16, and therefore b is 8. B is 8, and also we are given foci. Coordinates of foci are 0 plus or minus 6. 0 plus or minus 6. Done. So foci lies on y-axis. So it's a vertical ellipse. It's a case of vertical ellipse, and coordinates of foci will be 0 plus or minus c. And therefore value of c is 6. Done. So now we require value of a. So now it's a square equal to b square plus c square. So a square will be b square 8 square 64 plus c square 36. So our answer a square will be 100. A will be 10. So now which type of ellipse is there? Vertical ellipse. So equation of ellipse is x square by b square plus y square by a square equal to 1. So our equation is x square by b square. X square by b square. B square is 64. X square by 64 plus y square by a square 100 equal to 1 is the required equation of ellipse. Done. X square by 64, y square by 100 equal to 1 may be right answer. Next question 17. So 17 question says that find the equation of ellipse which satisfies the given conditions. Conditions are coordinates of foci, है ना, ये important होता है क्योंकि foci का coordinates देख के हमें पता चलेगा कि कौन से टाइप का इक्वेशन है. And a equal to 4. Length of, what is small a? Small a is the length of semi major axis. Semi major axis. Done. Foci lies on x axis. Done. So coordinates of foci will be plus or minus c0. So here we are getting the value of c, which is 3. And from this foci we can say it's the case of horizontal ellipse. This is the case of horizontal ellipse. This is the case of horizontal ellipse. And therefore first we have to find the value of b. So a square equal to b square plus c square. A square is 16. B square plus c square 9. So b square will be 7. Done. B will be root 7. So this is the case of horizontal ellipse. So equation of ellipse. Equation of ellipse, horizontal ellipse, it's a x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So our answer is x square by a square. It's a x square by 16. X square by 16 plus y square by b square. B square is 7 equal to 1. Done. X square by 16 plus y square by 7 equal to 1 is the required equation of our ellipse. Done. This is question number 16 and 17. Okay, question number 18. Find the equation of ellipse that satisfies the given conditions. Conditions are b is 3 and c is -4. देखो दो conditions, semi minor axis and length of focal length both are given. यहाँ से हमें पता नहीं चलेगा कि कौन से टाइप का ellipse है. So more conditions are given and that is center at origin, है ना, center at origin. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? Center at origin. So this is the standard ellipse, है ना, ये भी एक condition है कि standard ellipse होना चाहिए. So this is the standard ellipse and foci, है ना, foci lies on x-axis. Foci, both the focus point on x-axis. So whenever the foci lies on x-axis, from this condition we can say it's a horizontal ellipse. It's a case of horizontal ellipse. Clear, students? So for horizontal ellipse we require value of a. So how to find value of a? By using the formula, and formula is a square equal to b square plus c square. B square is 3 square 9, c square is minus 4 square 16. So a square will be 25 and a will be 5. A will be 5. Done. And b is minus 3. So equation of horizontal ellipse. Done. What is the equation of horizontal ellipse? Equation of ellipse will be x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Put the values. X square by a square 25 plus y square by b square. Where is our b square? B square 3 square 9 equal to 1. This is the equation of required ellipse. Done. So this is your question number 18. Now question number 19. 19 and 20 both are same. Done. तो देखो 19 कैसे करना है. So here equation, here you have to find the equation of ellipse, and the conditions are center at 0 0, center at origin on a standard ellipse, major axis on y axis. देखो major axis on y axis. So what is the meaning of this? Major axis is on y axis. Major axis of ellipse lies along with the y-axis. Y-axis. That means it is the case of vertical ellipse. This is the case of vertical ellipse. In vertical ellipse, major axis lies along with the y-axis, and our ellipse is passing through the point. Ellipse is passing through the points. Ellipse is passing through the points. 2 points are given, 3 2 and 1 6. Equation of ellipse, and that ellipse is passing from this given 2 points. We have to find this ellipse. So from this condition we can say it's a standard ellipse because center at origin and major axis is along with the y-axis. Done. So this is the case of standard ellipse, and that is the vertical ellipse. So now equation of ellipse. Equation of required ellipse. Equation of required ellipse. So what is the equation of vertical ellipse? It's a x square by b square plus y square by a square equal to 1. This is the equation of vertical ellipse. Done. And this vertical ellipse is passing through these 2 points. Ellipse is passing through 2 points. Which 2 points? 3 2 and 1 6. So whenever the curve, any curve which passing from these 2 points, coordinates of this 2 point will satisfy this equation, as well as coordinates of this point will satisfy this equation. Done. And therefore what we can write? Put x equal to 3. So it's a 3 square. So 9 by b square plus put y equal to 2. 2 square. So 4 by a square equal to 1. This is first equation. Say equation number 1. And again this point 1 6 will satisfy this equation. So 1 square 1 by b square plus 6 square 36 by a square equal to 1. Two conditions are there and we have to solve this both the equations. Done. ये दोनों इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करना है. कैसे करेंगे? So for that we are assuming the variable. Let's say 1 upon a square equal to x and 1 upon b square equal to y. So converting this both the equation in terms of linear equations in two variables. So 1 by b square, so it's a 9y plus 4 by a square, so it's a 4x, that is equal to 1. 4x plus 9y equal to 1. है ना। और ये इक्वेशन क्या होगा, 1/b², तो इट्स y प्लस 36x इक्वल टू 1. Done. These are the linear equations.